Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ThinkPhone 25 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So first of all we have to change it to video. So just tap on the video. If you can see the red dot inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now all we have to do is to take a look at this option bar at the top, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution. So let's tap on it, and after tapping we will immediately change the resolution. So now we've got 4K. After tapping on it again we've got FHD. And basically those two options are the only options connected with the resolution. So this is how to change it, and whichever resolution you can see here, it means that it was set successfully, and from now on your device will use it whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.